Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this session you are going to see International Mathematics Olympiad of Grade 6 previous year exam paper. So quickly see the first section, logical reasoning. First question, some letters are coded as follows. So these are the letters given and the codes for these letters. So code for E is 5, code for G is percentile, code for C is at the rate, code for N is dollar, code for I is plus, code for T is 3, code for S is star, code for P is hash. Right children, which of the following word is coded as asterisk at the rate plus $5 at the rate 5 question mark. So we know the star is coded as S. So let me write, for star the letter is S, at the rate letter is C plus I 5E and $n at the rate is C, 5 is again E. So we got the word as science. So option B is the right answer children. Second question, select a figure from the options in which the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. So how is this? A small curve is there and it is like this. So option A, no, wrong. Option B, a long curve is there. So this will not be the answer. So this is also having a long curve and it's divided. So we can consider the left side one. So option C is the right answer children. Third question, how many such 6 are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded as well as immediately followed by an alphabet? So how is the question? So 6 is preceded by a letter followed by a letter. So how many such 6 are there which are preceded and followed by a letter? Let me figure out those. So this is preceded but not followed by the letter. This is preceded as well as followed by a letter. So we can consider this 1. So this is not preceded but followed. This is preceded and followed. So take this as 2. And the 6 is preceded as well as followed by a letter. So take it as third one. So this 6 is preceded but not followed. This is preceded as well as followed by a letter. So fourth one. So how many we got? 4. 1, 2, 3, more than 3. So option D is the right answer children. Now fourth question. 3 different positions of a cube are shown below. Which symbol will be at the top when hash is at the top? See, this is the cube, first, second, third. So in these cubes, few are common. So let's take first two. Here hash is common. So if you rotate this cube clockwise, hash, circle, triangle, and so hash is repeated in this cube. So rotate this, hash, dollar, star. Okay. So for this circle, the opposite face is dollar, and for triangle, Opposite face is star. And for hash, hash opposite hash will not come. So this will come. Hash opposite a rectangle will come. And rectangle opposite hash will come. So now we found opposite face to this hash is a rectangle. Option A is the right answer, children. Hash opposite face is rectangle. Fifth one, Nikhil walks 30 meters towards west, then he turns left and walks 40 meters. He again turns left and walks 30 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 10 meters. Which direction is he facing now? First, let me write the directions first. East, west, north, south. Okay. So Nikhil walks towards west 30 meters and he then turns left. From here, he turns towards the left side, walks for 40 meters. He again turns towards left side, walks for 30 meters. Finally, he turns left. He takes again left turn, walks 10 meters. Which direction is he facing now? Now he is facing towards north side. So option C is the right answer, children. Sixth question, find the number of squares formed in the given figure. So let me write number of squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So outside we have 8 plus inside 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. The whole is also 1. This is 6. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So our option is option C, 14 is the right answer, children. Seventh question. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst ovals, alphabets and natural numbers? So these are the options given. And from these options, which is the best suitable Venn diagram for the given question? So the given information is alphabets, ovals and numbers. So vowels comes under alphabets. So this represents vowels comes under alphabets and this is the number representing Venn diagram. So option D is the right answer, children. Eighth question, find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. 21, 8, 11, 18, 15, 10, 5, 20, 17, 9, 7 question mark. So there is a certain rule following. So let's find out what is that. So this is the column wise and this is the row wise. So first let's check with column wise. 21, 8, 11, 18. So 21 plus 8 minus 11. How much, children? 21 plus 8 is 29. 29 minus 11 is equal to 18. So we got the first one in the column wise. So let's check second one. 15, 10, 5, 20. So 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. Third one, 17 plus 9 is nothing but 26. 26 minus 7 is equal to how much, children? Yeah, it's 19. So option A, 19 is the right answer, children.